Welcome to an in-depth exploration of API Specification 16C, focusing on Section 6.3.2, which covers materials vital for safe and effective operations in the oil and gas industry. Today, we'll break down the essentials of welding consumables and deposited weld metal properties, providing clarity and expertise for industry professionals. Let's begin with welding consumables. According to API 16C, these must adhere to standards such as ASME BPVC, Section 2, Part C, and AWS A.5.1. These standards ensure that the materials used in welding are reliable and meet industry specifications. It's crucial for manufacturers to have a written procedure for the storage and control of these consumables, especially those of the low hydrogen type. Moving on to deposited weld metal properties, the specifications require that the mechanical properties of the weld metal meet or exceed those of the base material. This is verified through the manufacturer's Welding Procedure Specification, WPS, and the Supporting Procedure Qualification Record, PQR. If you're dealing with materials of different strengths, the weld metal must meet the minimum requirements of the weaker material to ensure structural integrity. In applications involving multiple post-weld heat treatments, PWHT, it is crucial that the final mechanical properties of the weld metal still conform to the necessary standards. This is verified through comprehensive testing, including cross-weld tensile tests, ensuring compliance with API 16C. By adhering to these detailed guidelines, engineers and welding professionals can ensure the reliability and safety of their operations, instilling confidence and precision in their work. Thank you for joining us in this technical exploration of API 16C. Stay informed, stay efficient, and keep setting the standard in your industry. For further inquiries, please feel free to contact us.